Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download and install the PLEX application on your Android or iPhone. First of all, let's make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Also make sure you have enough storage space on your device. And once you're ready, click on the App Store or your Google Play Store to open it up. Now in the search box, type in PLEX and search. Look for the PLEX Watch Live TV and Movies application from PLEX Inc. Once you see this app interface over here on the screen, tap on the Install button on your Android, or you can tap on the cloud icon or the Get button on your iOS device. Soon after you do that, your application download process will begin. If you are downloading this particular application for the first time on your iOS device, then you will need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After waiting for a while, your application will be downloaded and you can then tap on the Open button to launch the app open. You'll then end up in the main homepage of PLEX. Here you can go ahead and log into your existing account or start fresh by tapping on the Sign Up button and following through the registration process. So that way you will be able to download and install PLEX application on your Android device or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.